Well, as we first told you last night at 10, two members of the Kansas City, Missouri Police Department have tested positive for coronavirus, and more than a dozen others are now in quarantine right now. And KCTV5's Amy Anderson has more on who tested positive and what's being done to protect people who may have come into contact with them. Amy?
Oh, that's right, Brad. We've watched it happening in cities across the country, and tonight it's happening here at home.
This has to get fixed, and has to get fixed now.
Kansas City Police FOP President Brad Lemon says sick officers across the country are the result of failure on a national level to protect them. And while there are some masks, there certainly aren't enough.
All day long and all night long, my phone is ringing. You know, people saying, I don't have the equipment. When are we going to get masks?
The numbers across the country are staggering. In New York today, more than 1,400 officers are positive for COVID-19 and more than 6,000 called in sick. And in Detroit, 500 officers are quarantined and many others, including the police chief, have tested positive for COVID-19. We talked off camera with officers who say it wasn't a matter of if, but when it would happen here. They're just hoping it doesn't get that bad. Kansas City, Missouri police confirmed the two that tested positive are a police officer assigned to a patrol division and a civilian employee.
Based on CDC recommendations, health department recommendations, those that have had close contact with those members are taking proactive measures as far as quarantine. And we have 16 members total that are in that protocol right now as of this morning.
Bakina says the department has handed out hundreds of gallons of hand sanitizer and cleaning materials to officers who still travel in pairs in patrol cars. But they don't have enough masks, and testing at this point is non-existent. The FOP worries it may already be worse than we know.
Still today, we don't have testing for our members. So, you know, our reality is that we don't know how many people we actually have on the police department that may have this.
Now, right now, the department says staffing numbers are solid. And sadly, they say despite all those orders to stay home, crime rates have not gone down. Reporting live tonight in Kansas City, Missouri, Amy Anderson, KCTV5 News.
All right, Amy, thank you.